Alright folks, this is going to be a decoding attempt. It's a Master Pro series. Alright, so first thing we need to do is get the old scramble. Face them away. Good scrambling. Make sure they feel like they're on a full number. Okay. Alright, that worked. Now we're gonna give them another scramble. Alright, let's see if we can get this. So I'm going to set them all to zeros. Good starting point. Alright, a little pressure. And we're going to start fingering. So that one, no loose. That one's not loose. That one's not loose. That one's not loose. See, this one feels a little loose. That one feels really loose. Leave that at a 1. Let's go to 2 here. Third one feels pretty loose, but I don't think it is. Let's keep going. Yeah, you know what? Let's leave that on 2. Okay, on to the next. Nope. Nope. Oh yeah. Yeah. Alright, so 2 obviously is not it. Let's keep going on 2. And there we have it. 5561.